Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2017 Infiniti QX60 that we have for sale. This is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle we acquired off lease directly from Infiniti Financial Services. If you're in the market for a mid-size luxury crossover, the QX60 is an excellent choice. This particular one is very nicely equipped with features, and it's always important to look at the features when you're doing your car shopping to make sure you're comparing apples to apples, because this would have a base MSRP of $44,900, but when you add in all the options it goes up to $52,660 original MSRP. And some of the big ticket options on this one's the Premium Plus package. That was a $2,900 option package giving you Infiniti navigation. You have InTouch services, which is a subscription-based service, which is really cool features. Voice recognition for the navigation, a round view monitor with moving object detection, front and rear parking sensors, front and rear sonar system, I guess it's the same thing, rain sensing, windshield wipers, and Infiniti Radiant Illuminated kick plates. Then we have the driver's assistance package. That was an $1,850 option package giving you adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, backup collision intervention, distance control assist, active trace control, eco paddle, front and rear sonar system, auto dimming mirrors, reverse tilt down. So those are the nice features on this QX60. Beautiful leather interior, nice piping around the seats, nice contrast stitching throughout the interior. You have a drive mode selector that will make changes to the transmission shift point, throttle sensitivity, power and heated front seats. A CVT transmission maximizes performance and efficiency. There is that round view monitor. You can change views, great for parallel parking, and just having an overall good idea about your situational awareness. These crossovers are nice, but you can see you have a good amount of blind spots for the headrests and pillars and stuff like that. So this round view camera is really helpful on a vehicle like this. Moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes, heated steering wheel, and only 25,294 miles. Pretty low mileage for a 17. This came off a 39-month lease, and most vehicles coming off the 39-month lease have over 32,000 miles on them. Really nice color combination in black on black. Beautiful curvaceous body on the QX60. Not your typical boxy cookie cutter vanilla SUV. It instills passion. You'll get lots of looks and compliments. It is a gorgeous vehicle. Rear climate control, the second row seats, they slide back and forth, and they also recline. Third row seating is not too bad as far as space goes. Power rear liftgate. This has the Infiniti all-season floor mats, and you can see the second row and third row seats, they fold pretty much flat, so if you need a lot of cargo space, the QX60 will certainly deliver. For those of you who have kids in forward-facing car seats, I'm happy to tell you that the latch system on the second row passenger side is designed to have a forward-facing car seat in place, and the ability to fold that seat forward with the car seat in place for third row access. Believe it or not, a lot of the competition, the way the latch system's designed, you actually have to remove the car seat completely in order to fold the seat forward. I have a 3-year-old in a forward-facing car seat, and I would hate to do that every time I needed third row seat access. So something to keep in mind. If you're not completely set on the QX60, that might be a good selling point for you. 2017 is a great year for the QX60 because it got an exterior and interior revision. And for 2017, which this one is, it got upgraded to a direct injection, so the engine gained 30 horsepower. So it went from 265 to 295 horsepower. Amazing, reliable engine. These engines go 200, 300,000 miles all the time. Look up information and ratings on the VQ35 engine. You'll see lots of good press, and you'll see that it's won lots of awards. And as far as styling goes, If you park this next to a 2020 QX60, you have a hard time telling it apart. The 2017, you know, visually looks pretty much identical to a 2020. So that's something else to keep in mind if you're maybe thinking about new or pre-owned. Thank you so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon and have a wonderful day.